Yeah, so when I was praying yesterday Jum'ah, before Salam, I started to get before finishing Salam, I started to get doubts whether I had wudu or not. So basically, I just finished the Jum'ah, and then I sat and I started to try to get to remember, and that was kind of still there. But then I decided maybe I should just maybe ignore it, as some scholars say. And I just went in and not even try to remake the wudu and stuff. What should I do?
If you woke up at 10 o'clock in the morning, went to the masjid, and then got the doubt that, did I make wudu before I left or not? Then the default is you're not in wudu. You have to repeat the Jum'ah by praying at Dhuhr 4 rak'ah. But if you say, no, Sheikh, I woke up at 10 o'clock, made wudu, I remember clearly that I prayed 2 rak'ah of duha in my home, and then went to the masjid. But when I reached the masjid, I got a doubt. Did I pass wind? Did I urinate? Now this doubt does not impact the certainty, which is I am in the state of wudu. While in the first incident, you woke up from sleep, which means the default is that you're not in wudu, and you don't remember making wudu. So the default remains, your prayer is invalid because you don't remember wudu. In the second incident, no. You did make wudu, you prayed dhuha, and you're certain of that, then this is the default. Any doubt that comes is to be ignored. I hope this answers your question. And he gave the answer himself, alhamdulillah. With knowledge, you annihilate, you erase doubts. And he gave the rule himself. Alhamdulillah, I didn't do anything. So he said, I just heard you say that doubts do not impact certainty. And this is the ruling that the Prophet gave us, alayhi salatu. He said, when any one of you is praying, he should not leave his prayer just for the thought that he had passed wind. The thought itself does not break your prayer, unless he hears a sound or finds an odor. So, a smell. So if you are not certain whether I passed wind or not, because sometimes you may pass wind without hearing a sound or without finding a smell to it, but you are certain that you've passed wind, khalas, your wudu is broken. But if you're not certain, then you have these two ways to judge. Either you find a smell or you hear a noise. If you did not, then your wudu is still intact and you can continue to pray without breaking it.